Okay, so September 4th, 2020, Tecno released three smartphones, or launched three smartphones: the Camon 16, the 16 Pro, and the 16 Premier. Today though, we're going to be talking only about the 16 Premier, because that is the phone that we have, I would say, more information about right now. Okay, so let's just go through some of the specs. So starting with the display, it has a 6.9-inch 1080p 90Hz display. Camera wise, we have a 64 megapixel wide lens. Okay, we have an 8 megapixel ultra wide, a 2 megapixel dedicated video camera, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. It also shoots 4K at 30 frames per second with EIS, which really helps, with stabilization. Looks pretty decent on paper. Front-facing camera as well has a dual setup, with one being a 48 megapixel wide lens and the other an 8 megapixel ultra wide lens. Decent quality. I mean, it all sounds a bit too familiar, but let's just continue. It has a 4500 mAh battery, which is decent, but I mean, a 6.9-inch 90Hz 1080p display, I don't know, we're just going to have to see for ourselves, but it seems it should be okay. It should be easily a one-day smartphone. Processor wise, it has the Helio G90T chipset, which is the same chipset found on the Infinix Zero 8 with 8GB of RAM. It also has USB Type-C and supports 33-watt fast charging. Now, to be honest, I feel like I've heard this before. Oh yeah, that's because this seems to be the same spec sheet as that found on the Infinix Zero 8. So you might be wondering, why are they so similar? Well, it's simple. Tecno and Infinix are subsidiaries of Transsion Holdings, which is a smartphone manufacturing company that kind of deals mainly in the markets in Africa as well as Southeast Asia. So it seems as though they really didn't do so much except change, the design of the two phones, but internally, they seem to be identical. But one new thing that was introduced is the Tws Hipods, which is Tecno's take on truly wireless earbuds. And I've actually wanted them to do this for a while now, and the fact that they've done this could mean potentially that the next flagships from Tecno might not have the headphone jack. So I don't know, just kind of prepare yourself for that. Anyway, some cool features of the Tws Hipods would be, it does have a water resistant rating, an IPX4 water resistant rating, as well as noise cancelling feature, which I wouldn't really bet too much on, but because of those rubber tips, it does definitely give you this kind of sealed, listening experience. So yeah, I'm definitely pumped to get my hands on the Tws Hipods. But yeah, let me know, what do you think? Do you think it's cool that the Camon 16 and the Zero 8 are identical spec wise? Do you think that's cool? If you did enjoy the video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one.